Welcome back. We can create an image for our document that we create with an idea using the artificial intelligence. For example, if we go to create a design, what we can do is we can decide that we are going to create a presentation. That's going to give us a blank canvas. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the apps that are available. And you're going to see one of the apps available called text to image. We're going to click on that application. What we're going to do is we're going to write a description of the image that we want to have created. Now what you can do is you can choose the kind of drawing that you want. You can tell the AI to surprise you. You can choose to have a photo drawn. You can choose to have a drawing. What you will do is you will choose the element that you want. You will then click Generate Image. And then the AI will start the process of generating the image. You can then import the image, and it will then be available to you to use in your Canva projects. You can start the process again. You'll see that your text is still available. This time what you can do is you can say that you want the AI to surprise you, and you can click Generate Image. And if you like the image, you can use it, or you can start again. And as of the recording of this video, there are other elements. You can have the AI create a 3D image. You can also have the AI create a painting. We're going to select painting. We're then going to click Generate Image. And you can now use the image inside of your design. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.